Hey, my friend, what's the name of this food again? My friend. Hello, friend. What's the name of this food?
It's Tom Yum Goong.
Can you repeat?
It's a spicy food for.
This. What's the name?
It's Tom Yum Goong.
Tom Yum Goong. Is it a good food?
It's I think it's a good food, but it's too spicy.
Is it popular in Thailand?
Yeah, it's popular in Thailand.
Maybe you can invite Filipinos out there to try Tom Yum food.
I think you should try this because it's famous.
Famous in
Yeah, the
Thailand.
most famous in Thailand.
Yeah, and can you speak in Thai and then tell them that we're eating this food right now?
In Thai
In
language.
Thai language, yeah.
มากินต้มยำกุ้งด้วยกันนะครับ
Yes, let's eat Thai food. Tom Yum.
ต้มยำกุ้ง
Thank you.